Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Linkpop by Shopify tools. But first, let us know what is this Linkpop. Okay, so Shopify has launched a new free service called Linkpop that lets retailers create a link page. Although this idea isn't particularly new, consider Linktree. Shopify is putting a unique spin on it by emphasizing e-commerce through shoppable links. Shoppable links enable customers to make purchases straight from your link pump page. Consumers don't need to visit your Shopify website in order to browse the products on your link pop page. So this is what link pop looks like. And as you can see, there are tons of features here. You can design and sell merch, drop ship products, make affiliate money, join a community of creators making money on social. Another thing, with Shopify's new link pop service, you can create a hosted link page that features links to your website and social network accounts, among other online material. With the inclusion of shoppable links, which enable clients to make purchases directly from your link pop page, Shopify goes one step further in this regard. Links with photos, shoppable links, social media links, and company details can all be added. So to create an account, you have options here, but the easiest way to create an account is to sign up through your email or Gmail account. So select an account here, then you can create your profile. So we have here page information. Under profile page URL is where you're going to enter your website. So let's just say this is your website on your Shopify. All you have to do is to enter that right here, copy and paste the URL here. And then after that, you can also upload an image. This image, you can create this using an editing tool named Canva. Right now, as you can see, this is Canva. And to start, what you want to do is to look for a template. Let's just say you want to create a logo. So you can just simply search it right here. And there are tons of designs that you can choose and you can use for your website. So let's just say this one. And what you want to do is to just simply upload an image if you have your own image for your product. Okay, so again, I'm going to show you. So this is Canva. All you have to do is to go to create a design and then look for a logo. And then if you have picked this template right here, design, all you have to do is to customize this template and then kind of upload the image if you have your own image or picture, or you can just simply edit this one. So as you can see, my Shopify or my website is all about static design. So I can change the font or the caption here, the image here, change the letters. So I can change this to AT or aesthetics, something like that. I can also change the color or everything here, but if I'm finished, I mean for this tutorial, I can just simply download this picture and use that picture. So here I have uploaded the image. Now let's move forward to profile name. So I'm gonna name it as aesthetic. Anyways, if it's not available, then it will turn red. Okay, so as you can see, profile page URL is taken, so I can't proceed. So I had to choose a unique one. So this is what it looks like. This is the main page of Linkpop. We have your add product, add media, add link. Okay, we have here add affiliate product link, add Amazon affiliate link, media, title, URL, and so on. Okay, so if you want to add some link, you just have to simply click add link, and here you can add the title of that product. Let's just say you want to promote the static bags, and you just have to paste the URL here. Okay, also same with this affiliate and affiliate links. Now for style, here you can change or modify settings, like you can change the background color. Okay, you can also change a link color here. Apart from that, you can also change card color, card shape. So you can change the shape here. And also the font text, you can change the font text. Pick someone which is kind of applicable or matched to your product or to your theme. Then you can also change the color of the text here. And for bio, this is your page bio. So you can add everything here like your Shopify store, email, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat if you have, TikTok if you have, okay, LinkedIn. And then what you want to do next is to simply click publish. Okay, so if you want to connect your Shopify store, you just have to click connect and take me to the store. You have to make sure that you have created a Shopify store already before you connect this one. Yes, as you can see, I haven't created one, so I have to create Shopify store first. For add media, you can just simply insert media here for a link. So let's just say you wanted to promote aesthetic bags from your store. So you just have to enter title here, and then you have to copy that URL, okay, from that page, from that affiliate company or website. So all you have to do is to get the URL, and then after that, you can paste it here. Okay. So you can also add media if you want. You can upload image. You can paste the URL of that media here and then click publish. Now, if you want to delete some of the parts, like you don't want to include this media, you can delete that part. You can delete that area. Okay. Once you're okay with that, then click publish. And that's it. So again, if you go to your website, you click that one. This is what it looks like. And if people tap this aesthetic bags, it will take them directly to that web store or Shopify store. Okay. And then if you're going to buy that one, then you will get your commission. Okay. Or you can get, or you can earn one if that is your own store. Now we have here analytics. And what is this analytics? Or what is the use of this analytics and how important it is? The technique of examining website visitor behavior is known as web analytics. You assess web activity, including the use of a website and its elements, such as web pages, photos, and videos. This involves tracking, evaluating, and reporting data. Determine the probability that a specific consumer, having previously purchased a product, will do so again. So if you go back and if you want to add another affiliate product link, you could just simply go to this part right here that is under add link. Okay, you can click this and tap this get early access and it will take you directly to this page. And what you want to do here is to simply choose the account that you're going to use on your Shopify. Of course, select the content that you want to promote under affiliate links. Apart from that, you can also select the products that you want to promote. So after tapping or selecting, you can now click next. You can add about you. Okay, you can add your birth date and so on, your shipping location and so on. And then you can also connect your social accounts such as Instagram and then tap connect. And that is under add affiliate product or add affiliate link. Okay, so you can do another thing with Amazon if you want. So all you have to do is to simply add those links here. Okay, so this is it. And this is a bit information about how to use Linkpop by Shopify tools. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.